Well, today we're going to try to get some work done on the Duramax, so let me uncover it and see if we can drive it out of here. Alright, first things first, let's try to start it. It's about -2 Fahrenheit. I just want to drive it out so I can clear the snow off out here instead of in there walking through all the snow. So, this is a diesel. Might have a little bit of a hard time starting in the -2, but I guess we'll see how good the glow plugs are. Oh my god. I'm wondering if I should cycle them twice. I think I will. Let's do it. There she goes. Not terrible. Not bad at all. And it got down to like -6 or 7 last night, Fahrenheit. So really the only thing that this truck needs is body work. It just needs kind of rockers. I'm gonna try to Bondo the rockers as best I can. If that turns out to not look great, then I'm just gonna freaking send it into a body shop and have them replace the whole rockers. The only loss would be like whatever, an hour and a half of my time. So we're gonna try that first. So I'll head to the car wash now, and then obviously you're not supposed to do body work when it's -1 degrees outside. So we're gonna head down to the warehouse and do it there. First thing I gotta do is stop at the car wash and try to wash everything off so that I can actually do the body work on clean panels. All right, there you go, truck is clean. It's gonna get dirty by the time I get to the warehouse, but at least it's cleaner now. Let's hit the road. All right, and here we are. So on just the drive down here, the truck literally is extremely filthy again. So I gotta clean that off, and we're gonna just add a little bit of Bondo to it, because you know it's not in terrible shape. We're gonna add a little bit of Bondo to it and a little bit of paint and see how that looks. So I didn't get too much done today because I just need to wait for the truck to dry off. I mean, you can look at how much water has just spilled on the ground that's drying, but we covered, I mean, that had a hole in it. The rocker is covered, and then the little door corners, I'm still covering it. I'm waiting for add a little bit of foam in there, I know, which is not great for it, but the metal's already shot, so. There's that side. And yeah, obviously tomorrow I'm coming back to orbital sand it and everything. This side was in worse shape. All this was just a hole, so we got that covered up. And then the panel, I'm working on the panel. So once we sand that down and then reopen the door there, she'll be all right. Day 2. Here's what I've done so far. Just got here, by the way. Just sanded that stuff down. Working on sanding the other side down now. Then we're gonna obviously do the next layer and keep her going. Bondo coat number 2, let's sand it down. And now we'll sand down this side too. Okay, this side is sanded down, and we're obviously gonna need one more coat on there. Here's this side sanded down. Getting there. So while we wait for this Bondo and stuff to dry, another thing I have to do on this truck is replace this exterior door handle because it snapped off. So let's get started with that. All right, let's see if we can pull this off gently. I'm gonna have to put my camera down for this. So I'm just gonna set the door handle, or door panel there. We got 3 bolts to take it off. You got a 1 in here, 1 through there, and then 1 through the bottom, and they're all 10 mils, I do believe. So let me undo those real quick. They are loose. Let's do our best to pull this out. And I gotta undo the lever. And there we go. Let's put the new one in. Here's the beautiful new one. We're just gonna plop it in real quick. All right, now let's pop the door panel back on. Bingo, bongo, bango. Let's see. There she is. Good as new. Sweet. All right, guys, so I'm gonna lay a layer of primer on that, and then we're gonna add some paint. I bought the Duplicolor paint, but it doesn't look like it's gonna match, but I'll put it on anyway for now. All right, there's that side. We're gonna do this side as well now. because I think it's ready for some primer and paint. All right, there's this side painted up, and when I'm done with it, by the way, these doors haven't opened since I got it. The latches are rusted shut, which is why I'm not too concerned about it. But when I'm done with all this, I will Dremel out the old door panel again with the Dremel I have at home. I just don't have it here at the warehouse. Coat one of the paint on this side, and I messed up on the other side. Did too much paint on this side, so I'm gonna have to sand it down again because I got the drips, damn it. But coat one on this side. All right, so we're gonna be done for today on this truck. Here's this door, the side of it here. Okay. And here's this door over here. And I'll show you, I'll see if I have a picture of it before I did the work over here. Let me get it down like that. There you go. All right, guys, well, I'm gonna head home for tonight, and then I'll come back here tomorrow and Dremel out those little holes and give it a car wash, and we'll see how it looks. All right, now we're gonna Dremel it, and in the sunlight you can see that that is not the correct color used. There you go, Dremel the door frame back into it. Just gotta add some paint, and this side's gonna be done. All right, now this side, we gotta Dremel the door frame back into it. There you go. Well, this is gonna be the end of the $3,000 diesel Sega. I've got 4 buyers lined up today. I listed it for $8,500, and I'm assuming that one of them will buy it. So there it is. That's the end of my body work. You can see that. I think it looks all right, in my humble opinion. So thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you next time with another car flip.